I want to take this opportunity and thank you all for attending this public lecture or seminar on the issue of land disposition and understanding the settler colonialism and colonialism. And today's lecture will focus deeply on the Zionism, the formation of it, and how it came about. History doesn't lie, and it will never lie. And what one needs to understand is that in the fabric of history lies knowledge and wisdom and wealth. And the topic that I'll be giving a lecture on is very sensitive because it evokes emotions of trauma, emotions of aggression, and of course, emotions of despair, extended to grief of losing something. The issue of land has been at the center of everything, at the center of capitalism and its emerging pillars in the world. However, one needs to understand that land is wealth. And if you take wealth, or rather land, from everyone, you've taken away their land. When we think about colonialism and Zionism, what comes to mind? What then comes to my mind is the unequal power structures that have his power or historically have led to the subjugation of many people. At the center of the Zionist ideology lies the pursuit and the control of land. Land has always been central to the settler colonialism because it represents wealth, sovereignty, and expansion. According to Ayash, 2024, page 209, he urges that the Zionist and colonial settler projects will have historical focus on land acquisition, often through dispossession and violence, which also resulted to a mass killing of different people.